Hey everyone, Don Chadwell here, on my way to a home inspection in Belen, New Mexico. Anyway, I just wanted to quickly do my credit tip of the day. I'm going to be doing these every couple days. So today, my tip is when you have a credit card, whether it's a secured credit card or a regular credit card, you need to keep your balance at less than 10% in order to get the greatest amount of positive credit and credit increase each month. That will give you the most points on each credit agency. The kind of general rules are 30% of your available credit. So if you have a $1,000 credit limit on your credit card, if you keep it at $300 or less and make your payments monthly, on time, never late, then you will get a credit increase each month, a credit score increase each month. If you go between 30 and 50 or 60%, your credit will stay the same. It will be level. You won't increase, you won't decrease. If you go above that 60% mark, then you're going to end up losing credit points, and your credit score could potentially go down each month, even if you are making those payments on time and steadily. So, the credit tip of the day, in order to get the highest amount of points each month, increasing your credit score is to keep your credit limit at 10% or less. One last tip, what I usually recommend for those of you who are building your credit is get a secured credit card or any credit card, whatever. Put one tank of gas on it a month. Let that bill come in. Pay that bill off before it is due, because then you don't have to pay any interest. It's like free money, getting to use someone else's money for a little bit. And then you're going to get the greatest amount of positive credit. You're also going to be building your credit, and it's just an all-around good thing. It's going to show that you're going to get length of credit, positive credit. You're going to get an increase in score each month, and they're going to like that you're paying everything on time each month. So follow Don Chadwell, Your Home Real Estate, and keep with us on your credit journey. Thanks. Talk to you soon. Bye.